Would you pay $1,500 a night to stay in this treehouse in Singapore's jungle? This isn't just any hotel. It's Singapore's first ever luxury treehouse stay, hidden deep in Mandai right next to the zoo. So today I'm gonna show you what's it really like inside and why it might just be one of the most unique hotels in Singapore. Alright, we have arrived to Mandai. So the resort is located at the north of the peninsula and guests can walk to the zoo. Wow, this whole area is new. I see Songfa Sushi Roll and also this restaurant that's been expanding like crazy. This is great because previously not many food options here, right? Oh, by the way, our beautiful baby and wifey is joining. She looks excited. I think this is the only hotel in Singapore with a sign like this. So this hotel is by Banyan Tree, known for like atas spa and stuff, right? So quite excited. Wow, check this out. So this is the check-in area. It's beautiful. Wow, it almost feels like Bali or somewhere. Doesn't feel like Singapore. And cool, I see monkeys. Oh cool, there are welcome drinks and a welcome cookie. It really feels like sci-fi, this beautiful fusion of nature and concrete. Alright guys, so this is our room we're staying tonight. It is called the Mandai Treehouse. It's one of their most luxurious rooms with the price of about $1,300, but with tax and everything, it adds up to $1,569, including breakfast. By the way, they kindly offered us a media stay, but it will be an honest review. Alright, let's see what $1,500 gets you in Mandai. Right, welcome. Wow, yeah, I think I need to hold her. Okay. Hi, 大丈夫ですよ. By the way, it's our first staycay together with the baby. So this room is 63 square meters and it definitely feels very, very spacious. Immediately, we are greeted with this beautiful bedroom space, a humongous bed, a nice sofa, a working desk, TV, and of course the balcony. I'm very excited to check it out. Alright, starting out from the working desk. Ooh, they provided something. I wonder what's inside. I love free stuff. Oh, it's their own body lotion, shower gel, shampoo and all that. Again, if I'm not wrong, Banyan Tree is known for, all these like nice aroma and the spa. And they kindly also provided us a snack tower. Let me try. How true? Baby, you wanna do a bed test together? 3, 2, 1. Oh! Yeah, she definitely loves it. Yeah, the layout is very interesting, right? And I love how I have an almost 360 view of the outdoor. It's a beautiful view. And I love how woody all the details are. And the interiors are also very nice. This is a small table with a rock bottom. And this is the bedside table. Here is a memo pad and a seed pencil. Oh, interesting. Basically, there's rose seeds here. And after you finish the pencil, you can take it out and plant the seeds. Here, you can almost adjust anything. Lights, curtain, and blinds. All right, let's check out the mini bar. Okay, here we have the espresso machine and the water. No, I was shocked because it's very light for a water bottle. Oh, it's actually self-serving. I think they want to be sustainable, so they provide this and you can fill it up yourself here. Here we have some beautiful cutleries and plates. Here, some tea, sugar and all that. And oh, check out the fridge. I'm gonna have some fun tonight, definitely. And finally, some snacks. Alright, I made myself some espresso because I want to enjoy it at the balcony and I'm whispering because baby finally slept and I don't want to wake her up. Alright, let's check out the balcony. Wow! This is unbelievable! Man, check out the view! So this is our humongous balcony. We have a table with 2 chairs, a nice sofa. Initially, I was very scared of mosquitoes, right? And honestly, I do feel just so beautiful. It's amazingly quiet. I hear so many animals, mainly birds chirping, and it really doesn't feel like Singapore, man. So again, I do feel the presence of mosquitoes. So initially, I thought these are going to be mosquito nets so we can enjoy the balcony without mosquitoes, but they are not. So I think these are mainly for the monkeys and other animals. It's nice that we also have a ceiling fan. So again, it's a tree house and it's perched 3 stories above the forest floor. And you can see the design is meant to blend into nature. Hold on, I'm just gonna sit here and listen to the sounds of the birds. It's beautiful. I really cannot believe this is Singapore. This is definitely the most peaceful hotels I've stayed at in Singapore. Hold on, I want to see if I can actually find like monkeys and other animals. Yeah, unfortunately no monkeys, or fortunately no monkeys. Being surrounded by this much nature, it's the kind of thing you only see in nature documentaries. Which by the way looks pretty amazing too on my Toshiba Rexa QLED TV. So recently, I upgraded my home setup to a Toshiba QLED TV. And as a Japanese, this upgrade meant more than just better visuals. It's about bringing real Japanese craftsmanship into my living room. So if you don't know, Toshiba is a trusted Japanese brand with over 70 years of history. And in Japan, we take pride in creating things that are built to last, with precision, attention to detail, and constant improvement. This spirit of Kaizen, which is the spirit of continuous innovation, is deeply embedded in how Toshiba designs their TVs. In fact, Toshiba has been Japan's #1 TV brand since 2022, leading in both sales volume and market share. That really says something about the trust the people have in this brand. As a Japanese, I know how seriously we take pride in quality. My wifey and I spend a lot of our time at home watching TV, so investing in a high quality TV makes a big difference to us. I love how the visuals are sharp and clear and simply beautiful. So if you want to know more about the TV, I have the link in the video description box below, or scan the QR here. Thank you Toshiba for sponsoring this segment. Yeah, this is easily my favorite spot in this hotel so far. But guys, I'm actually excited about the toilet too. Oh wow! The shower room is beautiful! Alright, so the layout is quite interesting. I just came from there. Closet 1 and closet 2, and this goes back to the entrance and the living room. Okay, this is the bathrobe, some storage. Hey, can I take this home? And I really love the sink. It is absolutely beautiful. Got his and hers, and here are all the essentials. I just love the blend of wood. We have marble, beautiful, beautiful bathroom. And over here we have the bathtub. Ooh, yep, definitely gonna have fun tonight. The bathroom is pretty big, and what's interesting is that I can actually open here and have some fresh air come inside. I'm not sure if locals will want to open this because there's some nice aircon coming from here. But what's nice is that there is a mosquito net here, so you don't have to worry about being assaulted by them. Oh wait, I know why they installed this. It's to listen to the sound of nature and insects and birds. Again, I love the sound at this hotel. However, there is one serious concern. Can't the guests staying over there, can't they see me naked? I think they can, right? But good news, there is a function here where I can lower the blind, which kinda makes it less nice, but I think can't be helped. Here is the toilet. It's nice that they have automated bidet. Very important for a Japanese like me. And over here is the shower, fully equipped with shampoo, conditioner, body soap, and there's also a rain shower. So that was the room tour of Mandai Treehouse. So it is a very, very nice room. I think my favorite part is the balcony and the bathtub, and just all the small details and the fact that I'm staying at a treehouse. So it's a nice room, but is it worth $1,500? I think we must check out the facilities and the food options in order to find out. By the way, this hotel has other rooms. Those are the cheaper rooms. I think the cheapest is like 500 Singapore dollars per night. Depends on the season, around that. And man, I still cannot believe we are staying over here. Check out the view. And those look intriguing too. Oh wow, it's nice. So this is the infinity pool. It's pretty cozy, but I love the view. Honestly, I think I have outgrown pools. I mean, what's so special about it? It's just a pool of water, you know? I'm a grown-up adult, I will just... Wow, check out the view. It's really unreal that they made a hotel like inside a jungle, and I see no buildings at all. And this is quite rare in Singapore. Okay, guess what's inside this treehouse? It's gonna amaze you.
Whoa. So this is the private pool only available to the Mandai Treehouse guests. I love the design and how it's overlooking the reservoir. And again, I think I overgrown pools. You know, I'm quite mature. If I'm a cheese, I think I'll be, you know, like the green slimy cheese, you know, the very mature one. It's for kids, you know, I'm too... Woohoo! Whoa, yes! Wow, so nice! This is so cool. This is the view I have. It really feels like Bali or not in Singapore. Maldives even. So we also have a Rangers Club. This place is for Rangers like me. Basically, it's a dream come true for kids. So many books, toys, and it's air conditioned, so it's very chic. It's also equipped with nurseries and toilets. Yeah, very fun for kids. Unfortunately, my baby a bit too small for this, but maybe in the future we can have some fun together. There is also a souvenir shop where you can shop for hats, clothes, books, Banyan Tree shampoo and all that. Some of the merchandise I really like. It's very cute. There's also a event space. I think you can use it as a wedding venue as well. And there's also a huge park. This is also a kid's dream. This is the leaf jumping net, bouncy leaves. And now I'm inside the dinosaur's egg, I think. I climbed the volcano. Wow, this part is so fun. All right, next up, we're gonna check out the gym. Wait, is that what I think it is? Oh no, it's just water. If they dispense beer like that, I'm gonna go crazy. Wow, this is a nice gym. It is fully equipped. There's a Smith machine, the dumbbells, got cold towels, a water dispenser, free apples, and of course, cardio machines. Alright, it's dinner time. So this hotel has two dining options. One is a posh restaurant with a beautiful reservoir view. And another one is a buffet concept with a live cooking station. I love live cooking stations. Let's check it out. Oh, it's quite big. Alright, let's check out the buffet. We have some pizza here, smoked duck, mac and cheese, and this, wow, looks amazing. It's braised beef. This one's mussel, chicken thigh with barbecue sauce, sea bass. Interesting, there's Thai menu as well. That's, oh, gros sotong. And of course, we have local menu as well, satay, and plenty of Chinese options as well. Ooh, this is exciting. Got Atas food as well, seafood. And the dessert section, I'm quite excited. By the way, the price is 68 plus per pax for dinner buffet. Right, round number one, I got the most exciting menu, the salad. I know it's very boring, but you know, I just love my salad and I like to stay healthy. All right, let's destroy this buffet. Yeah, definitely getting the beef. Smoked duck mac and cheese, why not? Okay, round one, starting from the beef. The beef is a bit chewy, but the flavor, oh, very nice. Next, the chicken. Oh, I love that, the barbecue flavor. So there's a giant champagne or wine here and it's very tempting. So I asked the staff, can I pop this open? Then he said, actually it's only available in the morning. I'm like, morning? So morning buffet comes with free champagne or wine. Doesn't really make sense, but it's pretty cool. It's free champagne, why not? But I do wish it was available during the evening. Wait, can I ask you again? Dinner cannot, the champagne, only morning. Yeah. In Singapore, people drink wine in the morning, is that why, or? Okay, round two. Let me try the kway teow. Walk hard. Next up, black pepper beef. Wow, very peppery. The beef's tender too.
Your place so weird.
No, I'm very lazy to take 2 plates. Never mind lah.
By the way, tomorrow breakfast will be very interesting because we will be eating it in the wild. Stay tuned, I think it will be very unique. And I think this will be my final round. I just took everything I liked. I'm gonna finish this up and get ready for bathing, which I'm very excited about. And we're so lucky our baby, you know, so calm and peaceful, and luckily she slept throughout. Oh, feels so good. I stayed at many hotels in Singapore, but this is by far the best hotel bathtubs. I think it's because it's so big and spacious. But the real question is, should I open this place up? Because again, I think somebody can potentially see me naked. And in Singapore, there's an interesting law that if you get naked in public, you can get fined and punished. Okay, I'm opening it anyways, and worst case scenario, the next video will be from Changi prison. Okay, jokes aside, luckily I think people cannot see from this angle. And yeah, I do love listening to the crickets and the insects. Ooh. Right, so that was day one. I had night safari planned, but with a baby, it's quite difficult. But yeah, I think that's what most people do. After dinner, they will head to night safari, and I'm sure it feels amazing being able to shower almost immediately after the experience and just sleep. All right, I'll see you guys tomorrow. Good night. Good morning. Surprisingly, I was not bitten by a single mosquito. I was starting to wonder, maybe Banyan Tree, they have some kind of technology to kill the mosquitoes inside the room. I'm not sure because it's surprising, right? I mean, we did make sure we always close the balcony very quickly once we go outside. But I suspect they might have some kind of technology. Because the last time I stayed at a similar environment, we got assaulted. And before breakfast, I just wanted to kind of enjoy the silence and peace. I hear birds, insects, and I'm very sure there are monkeys. I just cannot find them because again, we are at one of the most remote hotels in Singapore, right next to the zoo. Oh my god, is that a monkey? Oh no, it was my wife. She just got back from her morning pool, I guess. How was the pool?
It was great.
Alright, so now we're walking to our breakfast. We are gonna try breakfast in the wild. And it's located inside Singapore Zoo, and we are supposed to be able to eat breakfast with the animals, which sounds pretty awesome. And unfortunately, there is no shuttle bus, so we're gonna have to walk, but it should be around 15-minute walk. Okay, we're here. It took about 8 minutes. Thank you. Haven't been here in a long time, huh? Well, maybe expected. This is it. By the way, the price written here. So here you get to enjoy your breakfast buffet right next to the animals. Oh my god, I see a man chewing at the tree there. So food is buffet style. We got French toast over here, grilled herb tomato, Cajun chicken egg wrap, hash browns. I would say it's around 25 types. So the buffet is quite big. It extends all the way over there. After breakfast, we took the baby for a walk inside the zoo for the first time. And of course, she got VIP treatment. Wow, look at this! So big! Wow, check this out! Wow, so cute! Say hi! Hi, friend! What about your friend? You guys are same size. Hey, look at the rhino! They all look so hot. あれはサイね. It's called sai in Japanese. Say?
它放晒
No, sai. Not pang sai.
晒啦晒
Oh my god, they're feeding the dogs. Oh, looks like my neighbor's dog. Alright, I have checked out and it is time to answer the real question. So is this treehouse worth $1,500? First, let's cover the cons. One is of course the relatively high price, but if you are looking for a unique honeymoon, a bucket list staycation, or just want to be in the nature without leaving Singapore, this is hard to beat. And honestly, waking up to the sounds of tropical birds, dipping in the infinity pool, and enjoying the beautiful private pool, that's something you can only experience here. And although the treehouse may be a bit expensive, the cheapest rooms start from around like $500, and that price is not too bad compared to other 5-star hotels in Singapore. And with that, you can still enjoy the infinity pool and the playground and all that. So would you guys stay here? Let me know in the comment section, and don't forget to check out Toshiba's TV. It is excellent, and see you guys again. Goodbye.